This question says, find the probability that there's one tail when a fair coin is flipped 3 times. So now we're going to flip a coin 3 times. So here we go. We get heads or tails on the first coin flip. And then heads or tails on the second coin flip, followed by heads or tails on the third. All right, so putting this all together so we can trace out the route. So you can start here, you can get heads on the first flip, heads on the second, and heads on the third. Head, head, head. Or you could get heads on the first, heads on the second, tails on the third. Head, head, tail. Or you could get heads on the first, tails on the second, followed by heads. Heads, tails, heads. Or heads on the first, followed by tail again. Head followed by 2 tails. Now let's go the other way. We can get tail first, followed by head, Or we can get tail, head, tail. Or we could get tail, tail, head. Or tail, tail, tail. So if you count these up, there's 8 possible results. When you flip a coin 3 times, you get 3 heads, 2 heads, then a tail, etc., etc. 8 possible results. Now, what do they want? They're asking us what's the chance of getting 1 tail. So this has 1 tail, this has 1 tail, and this has 1 tail. So putting that all together, that's going to be 3 out of 8. If you divide that on your calculator, you get 0.375, I think. Let me double check that. I don't want to give the wrong answer. Yeah. So that's 0.375. That's the chance. That's our answer, 0.375. In other words, 37.5% chance that if you flip a coin 3 times, you're going to get 1 tail. That tail can be in the back, right? Here's the tails in the back, in the middle, or first, right? You get 2 heads, then a tail at the end, get the tail in the middle, or get the tail first. Any of these 3 results out of the 8 results, 3 out of 8, 3 divided by 8, will be 1 tail. There's a 37.5% chance. So there we go, 0.375.